morning, Aaron.
Good morning.
What time is it?
Early.
It's very early. Where are we going?
Atlanta.
Going to Atlanta. Why are we going to Atlanta?
For Walker Stalker Con.
Going for Walker Stalker Con to crew one of our custom wig clients, who's going to be playing a character from TWD, as is my partner Aaron, sorry, and me. This is just what we do. Fly around the country putting wigs on people. So here we are in Atlanta, Hero Hair's in Atlanta. Aaron is getting our bag. We are ready to roll. One of our clients who we're crewing, we're doing his wig premiere here for Walker Stalker Con, is actually kind enough to pick us up at the airport. We get all sorts of perks when we come and visit our clients, but we do visit them all throughout the year, or we bring them into New York to visit us and keep the family growing. The Hero Hair family growing, and it's a good boat to be on. It's a good boat to be on with the clients. I hate to fly. The turbulence was unlike anything I had ever experienced, and I hate to fly. So no, when we go someplace, this boy does not feel the need for speed. He needs the feel of his feet back on the ground. That's the goat farm. Check it out.
This was from the episode Vatos.
Vatos. From season 1? No.
1 or 2.
1 or 2. Our client is taking us on a bit of a pre-con guided tour of the Walking Dead filming location, so this is pretty rad. And we saw the Center for Disease Control just a minute ago too, which was really cool. Neat. Oh yeah, this is totally, look at this. You can see Daryl here fixing his bike. Too cool for school.
And see, all the way down in there is where they did the filming.
Got it.
Oh
yeah.
You can see the old classic windows and stuff. A lot of this stuff out here was more purpose-built for the artist colony that's here now.
Wow.
I'll do Casamigos with little soda and lime. Perfect, thank
So
you.
you want a Casamigos gimlet with a splash of soda.
I love it.
And for yourself, sir?
I would like an old-fashioned, please. Like,
Now, you want to do it with Canadian blended whiskey or Scotch or straight whiskey or bourbon.
bourbon, please.
All right, here's your bourbons. Bullet and Bullet Rye. That's a good Knob Creek and Knob Creek Rye. Wild Turkey 101. Jim Beam, Woodford Reserve, Maker's Mark, Maker's 46.
It's made with unicorn hair.
Down to the dent.